This video assists to install the sliding guide template with spikes for the JetStamp 1025. Everything required for the conversion is included. Ensure all the parts are present when you unpack the kit. Remove the existing base plate by removing the 4 screws with the screwdriver supplied. Next, place the adapter plate on the device. Pay attention to the recess. Insert the white plastic sliding elements into the appropriate recess. Now place the guide template on the existing structure. Insert the 4 brass washers into the slots. Insert the 4 small black screws included in the kit. Fasten with the included screwdriver. The mechanism should slide smoothly. Activate the 50mm high feature by going to Menu, Settings, Print, scroll down to Size, and select Zoom A to B or B to A. Then press the back button 4 times to get back to the main screen. Because Zoom was activated, any imprint will be doubled in size, so when creating the imprint, only use half of the print area, up to 42.5 millimeters. To print at 50mm high, press Print, slide the mechanism down and press Print again. Visit us at trendmarking.com.au.